The review format will look familiar, as it's the same one for opinion columns and editorials. Now the lead provides some background. It can describe a scene from a play or provide biographical information about a book's author. The nut graph is where you say what you liked and what you didn't like, if you liked what you reviewed. Arguments and evidence are offered in the body. Use it to explain why you felt the way you did, with concrete examples to support your opinion. But remember, no spoilers. You don't want to reveal the murderer's name or that the couple gets together in the end. And in the conclusion, you restate your opinion. In the next few slides, we'll dissect the review "Deadpool Promises Too Much but Delivers Enough to Entertain" from the Corsair student newspaper at Santa Monica College, a community college in Santa Monica, California. Now, in the lead paragraph, the author provides a little background information about how he's kind of over the whole superhero genre. The nut graph is where you let readers know what you are reviewing and what you thought of it. Now, Deadpool is the subject of the review, and the reviewer thought it was so-so. Not great, but not bad. At least it tried to do something different, even if it didn't always succeed. In the body, the reviewer provides arguments and evidence to support the opinion presented in the nut graph. Our author details several examples of what he liked and didn't like about the movie to support his one thumb up, one thumb down review. Now notice he didn't say whether Deadpool gets back together with his girlfriend or defeats his nemesis. Those spoilers are best kept out of the reviews. Finally, a good review wraps up by restating the opinion. The film was enjoyable, but it fell well short of what the reviewer thought it could have been.